Hi, Jason with Command Flow Power. We've had a pretty crazy year this year, and with all this craziness comes a lot of talk about Wi-Fi enabled machinery. The problem is every time we start talking to a customer about it, IT pops their head in and they say, we're not going to do this. It's going to kill the bandwidth of our Wi-Fi and it's going to give us a lot more points of egress for hackers. Well, fortunately, Advantech and Command Flow Power have a solution. It's called Long Range Wide Area Network, or LoRaWAN. What this does is it allows you to build a network on its own in your facility for all your Wi-Fi enabled machinery, and then you can run it back to a single computer that's not tied to the regular network. That way, you've got your security and you're not bogging down your Wi-Fi. If you have interest in talking about this and getting a program started at your facility, give me a call, text, or email, and I'll be happy to help you out. Thanks.